PGM Reball are the UK's leading ball screw repair specialists. We regularly inspect and service ball screws of any make and size. Our customers include OEMs, service engineers, and end users across the UK and beyond. Ball screws can be sent to us for a simple reball for preventative maintenance or for a full refurbishment. We also transform old, worn or damaged ball screws. Even if it seems to be beyond repair on first impressions, we can often refurbish a ball screw to operate and look just like a new ball screw that's rolled off the production line. Keep watching to see this month's before and after transformations, and remember, PGM Reball is the only UK ball screw repair facility with over 60 million bearings in stock and a vast range of spare parts, which means you get a super fast turnaround to keep your production running. Please don't hesitate to get in touch by phoning us on 01455 618 100 or email us on sales@pgmreball.co.uk or by finding us at LE10 3BZ. Thank you for watching.